Here's some Ascension of Muhammad trivia. Subscribe. What city did Muhammad consider his birthplace? Is it A. Medina, B. Cairo, C. Jerusalem, or D. Mecca? The correct answer is D. Mecca. Who was the first person to accept Islam after Muhammad? Is it A. Khadijah, B. Ali, C. Aisha, or D. Bilal? The correct answer is A. Khadijah. What is the name of the night journey taken by Muhammad? Is it A. Badr, B. Isra, C. Hijra, or Qiyamah? The correct answer is B. Isra. Which angel is said to have taken Muhammad to heaven? Is it A. Uriel, B. Michael, C. Gabriel, or D. Raphael? The correct answer is C. Gabriel. Which two main cities are significant in Muhammad's life? Is it A. Damascus, B. Baghdad, C. Mecca and Medina, or D. Istanbul? The correct answer is C. Mecca and Medina. What year did the Islamic calendar begin? Is it A. 1200 CE, B. 1622 CE, C. 500 CE, or D. 800 CE? The correct answer is B. 622 CE. In which year did Muhammad die? Is it A. 680 CE, B. 750 CE, C. 632 CE, or D. 570 CE? The correct answer is C. 632 CE. What is the name of the Islamic community established by Muhammad? Is it A. Ummah, B. Jihad, C. Caliphate, or D. Mecca? The correct answer is A. Ummah. How many prayers are prescribed daily in Islam? Is it A. 3, 4, 6, or D. 5? The correct answer is D. 5. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.